Welcome everybody, I'm Paolo from Evidence. In this short video we are going to show you a configuration of the Jailhouse Hypervisor running on a Tegra X1 with a bare metal inmate. In this video on the left side you can see the output of the serial console, whereas on the right there is a console that we'll use to log into the system. You can see the boot process of the Tegra X1. So Linux is currently booting. We are now logging into the system. We are currently disabling the power management support. And now we are mod probing the Jailhouse module. You can see the Jailhouse module is currently loaded. We are now loading the configuration of Jailhouse. And you can see on the serial console that the full CPU has been correctly recognized. We can now list the cells available, and you can see that Linux is assigned to CPU 0 to 3. So all the CPUs are currently assigned to Linux. We are now loading a cell. You can see the output on the serial console, and you can see there is a new cell now, and Linux is just assigned the first 3 CPUs, whereas there is a new inmate for the CPU number 3, which is the 4th CPU. We are now loading the firmware of the bare metal inmate, and we are now starting it. You can see now on the left the inmate, which is currently running. It's basically a timer which is firing from time to time and printing a latency. The current latency is kind of varying, and it's a few microseconds. The variation is mainly due to the power management, which is not completely shut down in this release. Otherwise it is much lower, typically up to 6-8 microseconds. We can now shut down the inmate. Here it is, and we can unload Jailhouse to go back to the initial configuration. And as you will see, we are now back to a configuration where Linux has all the 3 CPUs. And thanks for listening, and enjoy the usage of Jailhouse. Bye.